Okay, day one, we're getting ready right now to drop off the babies, and then we're gonna head to the airport and to meet the whole family. So yeah, vacation starts now. We all just got through security, now waiting for the people who do not have TSA or clear. This is why you need both, because you get through security in like 5 minutes. And then we're gonna head out to the lounge.
This is my future. Green mango, rambutan. That's already peeled. More rambutan. I don't know where they're going. Peeled guava. Persimmons. How you gonna peel the persimmon, Mom? And even the smells. She brought a knife.
Yeah, finally made it with the family. Smile. Nobody's happy because we waited at budget for 2 hours and we're all hungry. I'm gonna give you guys a little mini room tour. We're gonna stay here one night, and then tomorrow we're off to the cruise ship. It's not bad. It's actually really spacious. I like and very clean. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock. We just got to our hotel, got everybody settled. Today was our journey. It's a journey. We're gonna settle in a little bit, kind of decompress, or I need to decompress, and then we might stop at Hard Rock Casino nearby. Our VIP and Uber is here. Let's go make some money. We're going to Boba first. I need Boba, and then they can do it. Where are we going, Regina?
Can you guys feel the AC?
Boba bottle service right here. Back to the party bus. We need to go roll some dice. We're in Disneyland. My one job is to keep everybody on their curfew, which is midnight. So it's 11:31 right now, and I don't think we're all gonna leave by our curfew at all.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
Yeah! 5 minutes left until curfew. 5 minutes. Are we gonna make it? No. Getting champagne right now. Let's see if we actually leave or not. I'm still sitting here at the Samba Cheese. Okay, 12:09. We are not in curfew, but we might get another champagne. Let's go home. Okay, it's 12:22. We're leaving. We're walking out of the casino.
Not everyone is here.
Not everyone's here yet, but we're gonna get the car first because we are efficient. It's not too bad, not too bad. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. The bus is here. The bus is here.
Party bus.
Party bus. Okay, midnight, and Tiny's gonna get
I
some.
need a beer too.
Okay, Gabe. Okay. We got some White Castle. We have like a little variety of stuff in here. That's a part of the hotel area. Some water. Chef Tiny is about to make it happen in this microwave. And Tiny's like, I'm on vacation. YOLO. Today is officially day one. All my family is gonna be wearing these blue shirts that my niece Sadie made, which is super cute. I'm excited to see everybody wearing their blue shirts today. Let's see if you can see the back. Oh, you probably can't see the back, but I can try to show you guys on another shirt later. Here we go, off to the port. Good morning. Look at all the blue shirts. We are loading up to go to the port. We have all these cars rolling in. My parents are going in first. We're waiting for Tiny to come back with from the rental. Here is a port. Pretty convenient and not too crazy. Most of the family's on the boat already, and now we're just waiting for a few more groups. And then I can breathe a little bit. We're just standing outside where you drop off. Show you the inside. This is Kira. Say hi. Hi. We'll get some food soon. We made it. We did a little shortcut because we have a wheelchair and the baby. Better do it. If we can do it in the party bus, we can fit in here. Luckily, most of the people were in already.
Let me know when I'm close to you guys.
Hello.
Give me sweating.
Vacation time!
Well, now we're checking in. Hello. Hello, hello. Okay. We just got through security. Headed out to the ship, but we gotta go to the elevators for the baby stroller.
Oh, this way.
Boarding the ship.
Is the casino open yet? Yeah, is it open? Yeah, they said meet at the buffet.
All right, so we just finished going around, trying to book reservations for everybody. And then now we're gonna go look for a room, which is the opposite side. Jesus. Okay, open. Our luggage is already here waiting for us, which is nice. Okay, so we just got into our room, just kind of going through everything. What's that? Is that another safe? Oh, a refrigerator. Okay. Got a little coffee area here. We got our luggage. Walk-in closet, which is nice. It's really spacious. I'm like pleasantly surprised. And then we have more storage right here with the safe. And then our restroom here has a tub, which is great. Tiny loves tubs, so we can soak if we wanted to. And then we have our bed, a little couch that's also like a pull-out, and then some living space here. And then goes to the balcony. We're still ported right now. We're gonna head out soon, I believe. All right, so now we're just gonna unpack because that's like our first thing that we need to do. We always need to unpack. finished organizing all our clothes, and now I'm just kind of doing like our toiletries, like makeup and stuff like that. Even though I have like a hanging toiletry thing, which I love, now that we have like a station, I'm just gonna like organize. It just makes me feel better. I don't know. Are you like me? Let me know in the comments if you are, because I don't know, I just feel better when everything's like put away in its place. I know where it is, and just, yeah, I have issues. So just putting up makeup brushes in a cup because it stays that way, and then just, yeah, just doing what I can. We are headed to dinner. Really, babe? You're embarrassing. Hello. Kids and adults? Babe.
Why I'm on the phone?
It's only 6 o'clock. It's actually, what time is it? It's almost 7. Alright, it's only 7. I can't even open my eyes. And the food just came out. Our main entree just came out. I'll show you guys. Okay, so our dinner came finally. So we're gonna eat. We have different sauces for us.
I'm gonna get some Bernaise.
What are the options?
Bernaise. Oh, I don't know what it is.
Peppercorn
So
or
we
red
have
wine?
mayonnaise, peppercorn and red wine redux.
Do you want anything? Alright, today was an eventful day. Super long day, feels like. I try to get clippets here and there, but it was just so chaotic. So having to organize a large group is definitely stressful, and people ask a lot of questions no matter how prepared you are. So I'm just decompressing in the room by myself for a little bit. Tiny's at a casino. Everybody's just doing things right now. It's 9:50. We have a show at 10:30 p.m. at the Aqua Theater, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I kind of just want to lay here and do absolutely nothing and just maybe watch mindless TV or something like that. That'd be great. And get some room service. That would be ideal, but we'll see. What do you think? You think I'm gonna stay in, or do you think we're actually gonna make it to a show? Put it in the comments. Let me know.